Don't make this one mistake that's very common when you are growing lemongrass. Welcome to Sweet Poppy Homestead. For those that don't know me, my name's Jessica and we are a family of 5 living in the suburbs of Southern California, and we are growing lots of food on our edible landscape. We are always adding on, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If you'd like to support Sweet Poppy Homestead, we make lemongrass scented, among other scents, of handcrafted, organic, eco-friendly lotion sticks, lip balms, salves, deodorants, you name it. So make sure to check it out below. Also, thank you for all your support. You guys are the best. All right, let's get into it. Today I'm going to share one very important mistake that a lot of people growing lemongrass make, including me on occasion. Please make sure to stay until the end so you can see how to prevent it. If you're watching this video, you've probably already seen my lemongrass harvest and lemongrass tea video, but if you haven't, I'll leave a link here for you. All right, what is this mistake? And the number one mistake that happens quite commonly is you touch the lemongrass with your bare hands or your skin. You can see the lemongrass behind me here. It's shaped, it looks like almost grass, blades of grass coming out of it, or the leaves. These leaves may look innocent, but they are very, very sharp. The sides of the leaves have razor sharp edges, so they're basically like little knives. So when you touch it in any way, it acts like a tiny blade. I was reminded of this yesterday because I was pruning this area. There was some crabgrass. I also gave it a little bit of a prune because some of it was hanging off the edge here. So I was back behind here and pulling the grass, and it was on my arm, and it felt a little irritating, but I really didn't notice it till later on. And I have hundreds of tiny, I don't know if you can see it, but hundreds of tiny cuts, like tiny little paper cuts, and it's kind of itchy and red and irritated. So I'm not pruning this much, so I kind of forgot about it. So just know if you touch this plant in any way with your bare skin, it will cut you, you'll bleed, have tiny little paper cuts, and it's really irritating. So how to prevent this? Just make sure you're wearing gloves and long sleeves or pants anytime you're gonna be around that plant. Even if it brushes on you pretty gently, it will cut you. The good news is lemongrass is a very low maintenance plant that does not require much attention to grow. Oh, I just noticed some of our papayas are ready. Yes, so this is really easy to grow. For us, we have irrigation. You can see it back here. We have it running twice a week automatically from this app that we use. So I don't ever have to come out here and think about watering it. And it just grows. Usually I'm only out here to harvest it. Occasionally I'll layer some compost on top, and I'll come out every so often and prune, but that's about it. Sometimes I even forget it's here because I really don't do much with it, and it just grows lots and lots of lemongrass. So if you're interested in growing lemongrass and checking out to see how it's harvested, make sure to check out that video. I highly recommend growing lemongrass. You just want to make sure that you protect yourself and wear gloves and long sleeves. Now that you know how to avoid this mistake, make sure to check out my next video on 7 ways to use your lemongrass harvest, and I'll leave that here. Also, please make sure to leave any lemongrass mistakes that you have made below so we can all help each other out and learn from each other. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this or more on lemongrass. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening, everyone.